One of the most important things that you can have in your retro computing arsenal is one of these. No, not a box of Kensington keyboards as the name suggests, but a box of spares and repairs. So in this one I've got HP Compaq and IBM spares and repairs, all from laptops that I was unable to fix, repair, or turn on. So, you know, look, I've got an old floppy disk drive from a IBM. Yeah, IBM. Here I've got a DVD-ROM and CD rewriter for a HP Compaq NC6120. I've written on it in permanent marker because one, you're not going to see it when it's inside, and two, that you can actually quite easily get that off. But obviously not just with your finger, you can use magic eraser sponges. Ooh, NX9010, well that's the 9000 series, look. What have we got here? We've got two covers. I'd say one will be the RAM cover and one will be the wireless card cover, and I think I need these. Yeah, there we go. Look, I've got a laptop that needs those. So the big one's the RAM cover. Got a blind, where did I put them? There they are. Yeah, and then that one will be wireless maybe, or is it the other way around? Or maybe, no, just it's the 9000 series, so that one will fit. I don't know what that one's from though. Oh, it doesn't seem to fit at all. Perhaps that goes. I guess not everything. Oh no, it doesn't fit at all. Okay, well, ah, damn. Well, that's disappointing. Oh, and that one with the missing covers, look, it hasn't got a battery either. It has now. Job's a good one. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.